Bike Zone welcomes you to a deep dive into one of the most anticipated touring machines of the year, the 2025 Honda Gold Wing GL1000. A legendary name returns, blending classic inspiration with modern innovation. Heritage Reborn. The 2025 Gold Wing GL1000 pays homage to the original 1970s model that redefined long-distance touring. Honda has revived the spirit of the first GL series with a design that mixes retro charm and futuristic engineering, creating a machine that feels both nostalgic and completely new. Engine and performance. Honda equips the new GL1000 with a refined flat-4 engine that delivers smooth, balanced power ideal for long highway rides. Improved fuel efficiency and upgraded cooling ensure the bike runs cooler and quieter, even on extended journeys. The throttle response is noticeably sharper, giving riders a more confident and responsive feel. Comfort and touring features. The 2025 Gold Wing GL1000 elevates comfort with premium seating, enhanced wind protection, and improved suspension. Long-distance riders will appreciate features like adjustable riding modes, heated grips, and a redesigned ergonomics package that reduces fatigue on multi-hour trips. Technology and connectivity. A modern Gold Wing deserves modern tech. The GL1000 offers a full digital display, integrated navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and an advanced audio system. Honda has also included updated safety tech such as traction control, ABS, and smart assist braking for maximum confidence on the road. Design and build quality. The bike's design merges classic lines with new-age materials. Sleek LED lighting, aerodynamic fairings, and chrome accents give the GL1000 a bold presence. Every component, from the frame to the switchgear, reflects Honda's dedication to craftsmanship and durability. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda Gold Wing GL1000 stands as a tribute to Honda's heritage while embracing the future of touring.